Picture this, you with your own smartphone brand. It may seem like a distant dream, yet it can become reality. Begin by brainstorming innovative features that set your device apart. Research the market, identify your target audience, and create a solid business plan. Collaborate with manufacturers for production and focus on branding. Finally, launch your smartphone with a captivating marketing strategy and watch your vision come to life. Understanding the market is your first essential step in launching a product. To thrive, you must delve into the psyche of your potential customers. Are they budget conscious users seeking value, passionate gamers longing for performance, or photography enthusiasts craving impeccable camera capabilities? Analyze the landscape to identify where your product can fit and flourish. Pay attention to existing brands, observe their triumphs and failures, what gaps exist in their offerings. By pinpointing these deficiencies, you unveil opportunities to provide better solutions, such as affordable phones boasting exceptional battery life, which many consumers desire yet often cannot find. Armed with insights about your market and customers, the next phase is crafting a unique idea. In a saturated market, mere imitation will not suffice. The magic lies in innovation. Design a phone that stands out, perhaps with an extra long-lasting battery that keeps users connected longer. Imagine a phone with a super durable body that can withstand the rigors of daily life, or one featuring a top-notch camera at a price point that appeals to the masses. Your brand must have a crystal clear identity, highlighting what differentiates it from the competition. Remember, in the world of commerce, being different isn't just an advantage. It's essential, as uniqueness leads to sales while duplication leads to obsolescence. Once you've established your brand's unique concept, it's time to tackle the technical aspects of design and hardware planning. The good news is that you are not required to build everything from scratch. Many successful brands rely on original equipment manufacturers (OEM) to provide the necessary components. You get to select important elements such as the processor, whether it's a Snapdragon for performance or a MediaTek for budget friendliness. Additionally, choose the right RAM and storage capacities to cater to varying user needs. Design your camera setup thoughtfully, prioritize display quality to ensure visual appeal, and customize every detail to reflect your brand, logo, shape, color, and packaging. This meticulous approach lays the groundwork for a product that resonates with your audience and stands out in a crowded marketplace. In today's tech driven world, having a polished software platform, typically Android, is essential for your smartphone's success. This foundation allows for seamless customization, empowering users to tailor their devices with a unique user interface (UI). Prioritize a clean and intuitive design. A well-organized layout facilitates smooth navigation akin to gliding through calm waters and enhances the overall user experience. A core aspect of a successful smartphone is performance. Users crave speed and responsiveness, making it vital to ensure that your device operates without lag. Clean up unnecessary bloatware and limit intrusive ads that disrupt usage. Users are like avid readers. They favor a straightforward, uncluttered narrative over a chaotic one. Thus, aim to create an ecosystem where functionality meets simplicity, allowing the device to shine through its utilities. As your phone takes shape, brand identity becomes paramount. Start with an impactful name that resonates with tech-savvy consumers, evoking a sense of innovation and reliability. Complement this with a professional logo that encapsulates your brand essence, establishing a recognizable visual identity. Extend your reach into the digital realm with a robust social media presence, a platform where potential customers can engage, learn, and express their excitement about your offering. Promotion is the bridge between your brand and its audience. Utilizing platforms like YouTube for reviews can demonstrate your phone's capabilities, letting honest feedback serve as authentic endorsements. Likewise, Facebook ads can precisely target prospective buyers who crave value for their investment. Collaborating with influencers in the tech space can provide a trust signal, as their endorsement often sways their audience's preferences, ensuring your message reaches the right ears. Ultimately, the narrative you craft must convey that your phone is an embodiment of value for money. It should evoke feelings of excitement and satisfaction, much like finding a hidden gem that fulfills every expectation. By combining quality software with thoughtful branding and strategic marketing efforts, your smartphone can carve out a significant niche in a competitive marketplace, ensuring users feel elated with their choice. When all the pieces are in place, it's time to dive into production. This crucial phase transforms your concept into a tangible reality where every detail matters. The production process involves meticulous oversight, from selecting quality materials to ensuring that each component is flawlessly assembled. It's the moment when your vision transforms into a real product, embodying the innovation and purpose you've envisioned. Once production is underway, focus shifts to your launch strategy. A powerful campaign can make all the difference in how your smartphone is received. Begin by crafting enticing offers such as discounts that make potential customers feel they're seizing an opportunity. Limited time deals can create urgency, encouraging consumers to act quickly and elevate initial sales figures. Promote these offers across all channels, ensuring maximum reach and visibility. Utilizing online sales platforms such as Amazon or Dara's is essential in today's digital marketplace. These platforms serve as gateways to vast audiences, allowing your smartphone to captivate a broad demographic. Ensure your product listings are eye-catching, with high-quality images and compelling descriptions that highlight unique features. Harness the power of social media to drive traffic to your product pages, building a buzz that resonates with tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Remember, first impressions are paramount. Your smartphone's design, functionality, and branding must leave potential customers in awe. Invest time in creating a sleek, visually appealing product and attend to every detail of its marketing materials. The packaging should exude quality, enticing customers before they even unbox the device. A well-rounded initial presentation lays the groundwork for sustained interest and loyalty. As you prepare for the launch, maintain an adaptable mindset. Competitive landscapes shift rapidly, and consumer preferences can change overnight. Stay informed about industry trends and be ready to pivot your marketing tactics as needed. Engage with early adopters, seek feedback, and be willing to adjust your offerings to meet customer demands effectively. Despite the challenges inherent in launching a smartphone company, the potential rewards are immense. Armed with a strong idea, meticulous planning, and strategic marketing, you hold the keys to success. If the journey seems daunting, remember that every industry leader began with a single step. Are you prepared to embark on this adventure? Don't overlook the opportunity to connect with your audience. Encourage likes, comments, and subscriptions to build a community around your brand. As you navigate this exciting venture, know that the possibilities are endless.